In a world where the financial game seems rigged against you, there exist hidden levers of power and wealth that the elites guard fiercely. Today, we shatter those secrets, because anyone with an internet connection can become successful. These are the 5 smart money tactics they don't want you to know. 1. Faceless Channels. Faceless channels on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are minting money faster than a dwarf in a treasure room. Why? Because while you're dragging yourself to a 9-to-5, these digital warriors are turning pixels into gold. The question is,
was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
Fake laugh, hiding real pain.
here's the deal. You can be a brokey, moaning about hard times while clutching your outdated job like a safety blanket.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
Or you can conquer these platforms, creating content that pulls in cash while you sleep. Yes, without showing your face. Whining about being poor in the age of digital gold is like refusing a feast from the gods because you're too lazy to pick up a fork. Mastering social media isn't rocket science. It's easier than facing a minor god in combat. YouTube can be evergreen content that keeps paying you. Instagram and Facebook, relatable videos and viral posts that make wallets burst. TikTok, short clips that addict viewers more than mead. Each platform is a treasure trove, waiting for those brave enough to claim it. Choosing to stay poor because you won't learn the digital ropes is like volunteering to be a troll's dinner. It's on you. The realm is ripe for the taking, filled with opportunities for those willing to wield the power of anonymity like a weapon. In short, get off your throne of excuses, grab your digital axe, and start building your empire. Or continue being a brokey, watching from the sidelines while others feast in the halls of Valhalla, their digital coffers overflowing. Your choice, warriors. 2. CapCut Templates.
Am I hearing you right?
Yes, you heard me right. CapCut offers up to $40 per 1,000 uses of your video templates, a figure that could dwarf earnings from a conventional job when scaled.
Yes! Hell yeah!
You have to seize control in an economy that's rapidly shifting from physical to digital. CapCut isn't merely offering money for content. It's providing a platform to showcase talent, to be recognized, and yes, to be rewarded in a manner that many traditional roles can no longer match. To ignore such an opportunity is more than just a personal loss. It's a refusal to adapt to the changing tides of our world. 3. ChatGPT. Imagine cooking up a script so catchy, it's destined to go viral. That's where ChatGPT comes into play, crafting words that sell ice to frost giants. Say you've got an item you want to push on TikTok Shop. ChatGPT helps you nail that killer script. Next step, merge that script with animated pics of your item. Picture it, vibrant animations that grab eyes, topped with a text overlay straight out of ChatGPT's brain. This isn't just a post. It's a magnet for clicks and a siren song for your affiliate links. This combo is like forging Mjolnir for digital marketing. You're not just posting, you're launching a targeted strike for attention and sales. And with every view that turns into a purchase, you're stacking cash, all without the grind of traditional work. So, you've got ChatGPT, TikTok, and your strategy. That's not just playing the game. That's setting the rules. Dive in, create that video, and watch as the digital gold flows in. Welcome to the new era of making big bucks.
Thank you.
4. Invest intelligently into crypto. Listen, Bitcoin is the digital gold of the 21st century. And it isn't just for tech wizards or finance gurus. It's for anyone with the guts to ride the lightning of the digital realm. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving hits. And the charts, they don't just rise, they explode. Soaring up like Elon's rockets, making the bold and the brave not just rich, but legendary. If you're sitting this out, you're not just a brokey. You're deliberately missing the feast of the gods.
Oh, shit.
Because the mainstream media told you it's dodgy, and some believed it. Fools. Anything the system tells you is lies made up to control you and keep you enslaved in the very system you're trying to escape. This isn't alchemy. It's strategy. It's reading the signs, understanding the cycles, and striking when the iron is hot. Ignore the naysayers, the doom prophets, and the fearful. They have the vision of a mole in mud. Dive into the digital fray. Arm yourself with knowledge and conquer the Bitcoin battlefield. The halving isn't just an event. It's an opportunity, a tidal wave of wealth, ready to lift those who dare to surf it. Don't be a footnote in the saga of success. Be the warrior who mastered the digital realm, turned code into gold, and laughed all the way to the digital bank. 5. Become an affiliate. It's like planting seeds in the digital wilderness. At first, it's just you and a handful of followers navigating the vast online realm. Each link you drop, a test of faith, a leap towards fortune. But here's the twist. As your legion grows, so does your might.
Whoa.
Suddenly, you're not just a lone warrior. You're a chieftain, commanding an army of loyal followers. Enter brand deals, the god's reward for your toil and strategy. Those affiliate links, once humble tools, now forge alliances with titans of commerce. Brands, seeing your digital dominion, come to you, offering their treasures for your endorsement. It's a transformation, from foot soldier to digital deity, wielding not just influence but power. Ignoring this path, that's the mark of a true brokey. A warrior who chooses the shackles of ignorance over the crown of digital mastery. The realm is yours to conquer, not with sword and shield, but with savvy and strategy. Master the art of the affiliate, grow your ranks, and watch as the gates of Valhalla, filled with brand deals and prosperity, swing wide and welcome. Use this information wisely. Arm yourself with knowledge, conquer the digital realm, and succeed in life. Until next time. This video is not financial advice.